Hey guys, Technomentary with the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to talk about the worst iPhone that you can buy in 2022. Now, in my hand is the iPhone 6 here. Now, the iPhone 6 also has a bigger size one, which is the iPhone 6 Plus, released back in 2014. Now, it's going to be almost 8 years since this phone has been around, but I'm finding that this phone has a couple of issues trying to use it functionally in 2022. So this phone, of course, for the basic needs, if you're really just looking for a phone to do what a phone is meant to do, which is just simply calling and texting, it will do that for you. But when you do actually open up these apps, you'll find that sometimes they crash, sometimes they're just a little bit laggy, and you might lose your patience. So that's the first point on it, is that it's going to do your basic thing, but once you start going into things like browsing, you'll notice here when you try to open up a page on a decent website, you're going to be waiting upwards to a couple seconds to even up to 10 seconds, which again can be really frustrating in 2022, considering how fast we want information to be disposable at our hands. So that's the other thing, is that when it comes to like light browsing, you'll find that it does take a moment or two, and that partly could be because Apple might have slowed it down, but we're stuck on iOS 12 is the other pair. So if you go into this phone, you'll notice here Apple does occasionally bring out some software update for some security reason, but you can't go past iOS 12 no matter what, even if you try to jailbreak. As you can see, there's another update out. This phone is trying to download right now. It's getting kind of hot, even with almost a decent battery. And the battery size isn't that great. It's 1800 mAh battery, so even if you're a light to medium user, you'll find the phone dies pretty quick compared to some of the other smartphones out there. And of course, the other reason why probably the iPhone 6 sort of died out, maybe Apple killed it, is the fact that the actual phone itself now, it's pretty uniquely sized, but it's that 1 gig of RAM. Of course, it could definitely have more gigs of RAM. It's probably a reason why when we try to open up most apps for social media, for example, as you'll see here, again, it takes some time. Again, you can lose your patience, and you'll find that apps sort of start to crash, or they require constant update, and we find that really annoying, especially the apps that are the mainstream apps when you're looking to do it. And when it comes to playing games, don't expect to play anything that's above 2D or even 2D on this game, because it starts to show a lot of lag. And if you have a bunch of things opened up, you'll find that again the phone starts to die much quicker than we expect a phone to do. So the iPhone 6 and the 6 Plus, again, or anything even actually older, probably isn't a good device to buy. So if you're looking to buy a decent device, go with the iPhone 8 and above. Even a 7 some can barely get you by, because it does have the latest version, but iOS 16 won't be supported on the 7. So we recommend going with the iPhone 8 or above if you're really on the budget side of things but want a decent device. The iPhone 6, again, you can get this device if you really need it to for about $50 to $70 off eBay or Amazon, because you can't find, of course, this phone in brand new anymore because it's been so long and Apple no longer produces it. But if you really are tight on budget, the iPhone 6 again just simply stretches everything. And trying to work on this device, I find it really frustrating because of the lag, and then the crashes that happened, and then the speed, and not being able to even play decent game on this device, and the battery just dying. So those are the reason why we think the iPhone 6 and the 6 Plus, again, probably the worst device to buy in 2022. I want to hear from you guys your experience of using the iPhone 6 during its prime time and how it has been now for you. Leave a comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.